If you are the one who cleans your house, then you know that some places are a little more unpleasant to clean than others. One of these places is the bathroom, which, even though we take proper care of it, still needs to be cleaned more frequently. And what about the toilet? Nobody likes to clean it, full of germs and bacteria, and they easily get dirty and smell bad. Without choosing the right products, cleaning it may become a tall order. Luckily, many natural recipes can help you clean your house, especially your bathroom. Did you know that a very common ingredient in every house can be used to clean your toilet? You probably eat it every day and can't even imagine that it can be efficient to remove spots. We are talking about salt. Thanks to its abrasive power and disinfecting action, it is very efficient to remove residue, spots, and kill bacteria that are commonly found in bathrooms. See how to make a homemade cleaner that can be used in the toilet and the rest of the bathroom, and that uses cheap ingredients that are easy to find. You will need 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. All you need to do is to mix salt and baking soda in a container. Reserve vinegar and water. To use this mixture, put it in a sponge and rub on all the surfaces of the toilet. After that, mix water and vinegar in spray bottle and spray over the salt and baking soda. Let it act for 10 minutes and rinse with water. It is recommended doing this procedure twice a week to keep your toilet perfectly sanitized. If you do this recipe at home, share your opinions with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.